Hi everyone, now we are gonna unbox this parcel. Before that, we should get ready. So that's it, we are ready now. So let's quickly open up. Actually, this is not comfortable for me, so let's change. So let's quickly open up. This is much better than gloves. Actually, I couldn't even catch, I couldn't even focus with the gloves. Oh my god, this is too much packing. Inside we have some more taping work. Okay. This is bullshit. But very safe. That's off. Okay, here we have the opening. I think he have stuck somewhere, so we should open all the cover. Okay, come on, please open up. Okay. Come on, this is very tough, guys. Very, very tough. Shit. Very tough. Okay guys, here we have it. What's inside is two open bundles. So let's quickly check that. Okay. The first thing, the main reason I purchased this lot is this bundle, half open bundle. You can see starting from 419. Let me show you. Okay, you can see a good UNC condition note. All notes are almost UNC. The last one has some stain over here, you can see, but other notes are all superb. We are not gonna send this to anyone. The last note we won't send to anyone. You can see the number. starting from 419 and ending at 500. So this is a good condition bundle, half open bundle. So let's check what we have in this 1 rupee set. I mean 1 rupee bundle. This also a half open bundle. You can see starting from 510 and goes on till 600. So this is year of 1972. You can see 1972, signed by IG Patel. You can see here IG Patel. So this also a good UNC condition. The first and last note doesn't matter. Other notes are superb in condition. So sooner these two off open will be for sale on our website. On our website. So the last third thing what we got in this parcel is this. You can see 5 rupee notes. Usually we say deer notes, like we have 4 deers here. Let me open up and show you. These all are used condition, but good for their price. All good in condition. I mean, in used condition, these are all good. That's all. So in this lot we got I think 13 notes. This one 13 notes and 2 half open bundles, all UNC in condition. So sooner these 3 sets, this one will be for sale single notes, and this one also each single notes on our website. So that's all guys. Hope you enjoy the video. Hit the like button.